All right, as I was saying, if I come up with a better way to a better card system, you know, maybe one that's not babies but different shapes at least, better laminated, I'll use those. But for now, that's just what I got off Amazon. More visually stimulating than just the playing cards down there. So these are some of the old boxes. Those boxes actually came from this apiary. I broke down a lot of these hives and changed out some of the boxes over the last 3 or 4 years, but what I'm doing now is just bringing them back. I'm using them to transport frames, use them for emergency backups. I'll have them out here. Those are just blank frames of foundation. But there's a lot starting to bloom. The honey flow is going to be turning on here in a few days. I'll be getting my splits made hopefully in a couple of weeks. It's like this hive, look to me just like this hive. As soon as I open them up, well, maybe not, maybe it was a different hive, but they start coming out when you mess with them. But it's just, if you can't hear the wind, it's pretty windy and it's cloudy, and it rained pretty hard earlier today, so I'm not surprised that these bees aren't in. I wish I would have rented an auger so I can go ahead and dig the holes and plant some fence posts and put the cement in it all in one day. I like to break things down, but that's something you got to do all at one time. Okay, just because of the cows. The cows will walk around and they'll step in there and break a leg, and I'll be responsible for that. But I just want to make sure before I actually put concrete in here that the landowner's okay with that, and they'll know in case in the future they need to do some bush hogging. They'll know that there's concrete down here. If they're pulling up, like, you know, if I'm not here in a few years or days or decades, that they'll know that there's concrete down here, so they're not going to damage their equipment. They'll probably be okay with me putting it in there. They probably don't have any problem with it at all, but they could have a problem with me doing it without asking. So got ahead of myself a little bit, but once I get this kind of fence up around here, this will be a lot more stable, be a little bit bigger. I got a trailer now. I can start pulling some of this sheet metal out, and I'll start putting these boards around here, doing something a little bit better with it than just leaving it there. Anyway, honey hefe, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great one.